What's up, my beautiful people? I recently asked in a YouTube survey, how many pull-ups can you do? And 75% of you said that you could do 9 pull-ups or less. I used to be just like that many years ago, wondering why can't I do 10 pull-ups or more? Was it my weight? Is it my height? Is it psychological? I'm here to tell you it's none of those things. All you need to do is follow the program that I'm going to share the details with you, and you're going to be able to get them. So that's the great news. You are going to be able to do 10 pull-ups, maybe 12, maybe 14 by the time you finish this program. So before I get into the details, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll get notified on future videos. And let's get into the details right now. The first thing you need to do is find out what is your max. And when I say max, I mean how many clean, strict pull-ups can you do in a row before you hit failure. When I say clean, I mean full range of motion, full lockout, elbows straight until the chin goes over the bar. When I say strict, I don't mean slow. You could do your pull-ups fast. I mean strict as in no kipping, no weird jolty assistance from your knees or your legs to help you get up there. Because you're only going to be cheating yourself if you make up this number or try to make it a bigger number than it really is. Just be honest with yourself. And by the way, this program applies to chin-ups as well. Focus on whatever your goal is. Step number 2. After you find out your max, subtract 2 from it. So if your max was 7, you're gonna start with 5 reps on your first set. You could be a little more aggressive and just subtract 1 and say that you're gonna start with 6. However, it's better to be a little conservative because progress with this system is very fast. Step number 3, you're gonna follow a descending rep scheme spread over 5 sets. So if your first set is 5 reps, do those 5, rest 2 minutes or more. If you need to rest 20 minutes because you're just spreading this throughout the day, or you work from home and you want to just do this throughout the day and here and there, that works fine as well. On your second set, you're going to do 1 less rep, 4 reps. This is psychologically very easy to achieve. And then you're going to rest again 2 minutes or more, and then do 3 reps, rest, 2 reps, rest, 1 rep. So it's very simple. You just did 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then on the next workout day, you're gonna just add 1 rep to the last set. So you're gonna do 5, 4, 3, 2, 2 instead of 1, right? And then on the next workout day after that, you're gonna add again just 1 rep to 1 set. This time you add it to the preceding set. All this information about what to do on each workout day, where to add the number, is laid out in a blog post with the link in the description below. Before you know it, you're gonna get to 10 after a couple months or less, just depending on your starting point, okay? The reason this works so well is because psychologically it's super easy to add just 1 rep on the next workout day. You're purposely being conservative, you're purposely doing sub-maximal sets, you're not going to absolute failure, and the volume is just enough to make progress. So how often should you do this workout? The sweet spot, in my experience, has been to do it about 4 or 5 times a week. You could do all 5 days in a row if you wanted. The minimum, I would say, is 3 times a week. If that's all you can do, that's okay. You're gonna have progress, but it's a little bit slower for obvious reasons. And in general, you can do this workout for about 2 to 3 months before you need a nice deload week. And a deload week is where you just take a break from all these pull-ups and chin-ups so that all the accumulated fatigue can dissipate and your body could be fully recovered. Now here's a little bit more info that's really important. What if you have a strength training program right now that includes pull-ups and you want to do the thing I just showed you right now? Well, do the thing I just showed you right now, but take the pull-ups out of your original strength training routine. Otherwise, it's going to be too much volume and you're just going to end up regressing actually. Now, what do you do when you can't actually complete the number of reps? Because eventually there's gonna come a workout, you're 1 rep short and you're like, damn, I was supposed to add a rep today and I couldn't. Well, you just take a rest day. Sometimes you need 2 rest days, sometimes even 3 rest days, and then just try to repeat it again. You're gonna just get back on that horse. Just because you fail once, it's not a big deal. It's just a sign that you need a little bit more rest, and then you'll be able to kill it. The only downside of this program is that the volume could take a toll on your body. So watch out for signs of overtraining, or if there's possibly an injury that you're feeling like your joint's not feeling right. Respect those signals. It doesn't matter what a program is telling you when your body is telling you something else. Your body overrules everything else because that program doesn't know you better than you. The positive side of this program is that it's extremely methodical. It's very easy to get through psychologically, and you're gonna get to a new level of reps. You're gonna break through to not just 10 pull-ups, but even 12 pull-ups, 14 pull-ups. You're gonna pack on muscle while you're doing it. You're gonna be stronger than you've ever been before. And you're gonna leave a comment telling me, hey, I was at 4 reps, I was at 6 reps, and now I'm at 10 reps, 12 reps. Thank you so much, right? I know you're gonna do it. But in the meantime, leave a comment asking me any questions that you have. And you should review my video on how to do pull-ups if you don't know how to do them properly. And if you don't know how to do pull-ups at all, or if it's the struggle to just do one, check my video out on how to do pull-ups if you can't do any. All right, I'll see you in the comments section. Thanks for watching.